Hi boys and girls. This is another teaching video on how to compare decimal numbers. Now I know if you can compare and order whole numbers, the process is similar, but sometimes with decimal numbers it can get a little tricky. So let's compare these two numbers. We have 1 and 1/4, and we're going to compare it to 1 and 4/100. One thing I like to do, boys and girls, and I want you to do, is label your place value. And that's very quick. Ones, decimal point, tenths, hundredths. This is a good strategy to keep you from getting confused. Now once I've labeled my numbers, I'm going to create a place value chart. And it kind of just looks like this, nothing fancy. And over here, we will put our ones, our decimal point, lowercase t for the tenths, and a lowercase h for hundredths. So now I'm going to copy this number, and I want to make sure the 1, the digit 1, goes in the ones place. Then I need a decimal, and the 4 is in the tenths place. Now let's write the other number, 1 and 4/100. The digit 1 is in the ones place, decimal point. The digit 0 is in the tenths place, and the digit 4 is in the hundredths place. Now a lot of kids may think that this number is greater because it has 3 digits. But we can't count the digits. We have to compare place value positions. So what we need to do is we're going to start in the greatest place value, which is the ones place. I have a digit 1 and a digit 1, so 1 whole and 1 whole are equal. So I'm going to go down over to the right, 1 position to the right, to the next place value position, which is in the tenths position. This has 4/10 and 0/10. Which number is greater, boys and girls? This number is greater, and this number is less. So let me show you what this would look like if this was money. If I had $1.04, that would be $1.40 compared to $1.04. When we can connect decimals to money, it will make comparing decimals a lot easier. So we can put in here, we can say this 1 and 4/10 is greater than 1 and 4/100, and there's our symbol. Thank you, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love being your teacher. You are awesome.